On this episode of Scott vs. Box, I open up West Side Story on Blu-ray. You know, I just met this girl named Maria. I did. She's a shark who lives in a jet.
Scott vs. Box!
This is West Side Story, the 50th Anniversary Edition Blu-ray and DVD. Oh, when you're a jet some of the day, but not the whole thing. Winner of 10 Academy Awards, including Best Picture, 1961. That's when I wasn't born. 3-disc set, all new 7.1 DTS HD Master Audio, digitally remastered, new featurettes. Oh, I tell you, that's pretty good stuff. Let's see on the back, y'all. Fall in Love All Over Again on Blu-ray. The greatest love story ever told and the most acclaimed musical of all time is now on Blu-ray. Experience every sensational song, dazzling dance number, and magical movie moment of West Side Story and sparkling high definition with pure digital sound and blah blah hoops. They didn't really say what the movie's about. It's like one stuff. Oh, okay. Basically, being Romeo and Juliet against a backdrop of gang warfare where everyone dances in 1950s New York, featuring unforgettable score, exuberant choreography, and powerful performances by Natalie Wood, Russ Tamblyn, Richard Beimer, Rito Moreno, and George Chakiris. Not to be confused with Michael Chiklis. No. Totally different. Look at these tough gangs! Look at those pirouettes, huh? Look at those kicks and the flinging of the hands. You don't want to mess with that gang, man. They will out-tap you every time. And then you'll be looking like a fool. Look at that gang! So cool. So cool. There's your side panel right there with your dancers on the side. And it's got all sorts of special features. Remastered? Yes, I get it. You souped up the sound and the sound. Pow! The dances of West Side Story and movie viewing mode. That seems like a movie where I view it. Yes, no? Comment below if you think no, yes. Song-specific commentary by Stephen Sondheim. Oh, so we only like some of the songs to commentate, huh? Music Machine. All right. And then A Place for Us, West Side Story's Legacy, Creation and Innovation, A Timeless Vision, West Side Memories, and all sorts of other stuff. That's pretty neat. Pretty neat. So then we got there MGM Film, and it says 20th Century Fox too. I don't know how they both got in there. I don't know, maybe somebody bought it years later, but I thought it was MGM. What do I know? Everything? Yes. Alright, let's pop it open. Have you ever seen this movie before? Comment below. I like a musical from time to time. I'm not a gigantic musical guy, but the occasional classics here and there, and the occasional oddball musicals, I like. Not all, but a fair amount. Oh, special features magnet. Don't steal it from the store or they'll get you and tase you. West Side Story Blu-ray right here. That's very cool. Oh, he's got chalk on his foot. And then what else we got, Meow? Oh, the Blu-ray special features. They couldn't figure out how to put it on the whole Blu-ray. There's so much dancing in this. They got to put it on another disc right here. And then we got the DVD as well. Well, that is loaded. We got the DVD, we got the Blu-ray special features, and we got the West Side Story Blu-ray. Ah, terrific movie. To just sit down and watch other people's dance while you just eat beef jerky and pork rinds. West Side Story.
What another wacky adventure we all had together. Subscribe to my channel right over here, so that way you never miss another Scott vs. Box video. And send me something to this address right over here, and I'll open it up and give you a free plug on my show. And click over here to see me unbox even more movies. You know, those things that people go out on dates to, you know, and then they talk about afterwards. You know, dates. You know, dates. Dates. Date me. Please. Please date me. Date me. Date me. Date